Hey everyone, this is Dr. Lowell SALA, and together with Song and RISHABH are submitting Pecunia as our entry for this hackathon. So Peter recently acquired a good amount of cryptocurrencies and NFTs. Unfortunately, an accident happened and Peter died. Now his family is unable to access the digital assets he acquired during his lifetime. This is where Pecunia comes in. Pecunia enables safe and secure estate planning using ZK Snarks and Chainlink keepers. Now, I just wanted to show you the overall architecture, and this is what actually happens. So Peter connects with his wallet and registers. Peter then assigns the heirs, including the wallet address and the amount to be transferred. The heirs will sign and prove that they have the password. It is at this point that a ZK proof is created with the password, as the real password is not known or shown. Chainlink keepers will then take care of the transfer of funds, which for this example is simply the use of intervals. And now we go to our demonstration.
Hi everyone, my name is Son, and I will now show you a demo. So here's the landing page. You can connect to the dashboard with your synchronized wallet or your MetaMask. For this sample, I will use synchronized wallet. Then continue. So here's the dashboard, and you can register, so you can add some inheritance. So enter the password for inheritance to use to claim the funds, and the amount of time it takes to take effect. You can register. So based on the password and the time. So you just confirm to register. After successful, this also like creates a proof. So if I inspect, and then also you see that the password has been hashed, and here's the proof to get the funds. So here's the dashboard, and you can see the user is already registered, so you can add your heirs so they can inherit your money if you somehow did not access your wallet for some time. So paste the address and then decide to send like 0.05 and click on add parents and then confirm. And it was successful, so I register a heron. So if I go back to this wallet and then log in, I can withdraw and then enter the following fields. And for the NFT ID, if I go to the polygon scan and then click on ERC721, you can see that when you just assign inherent, that person will receive an NFT which shows that they can inherit the money, the magic. So right now the token ID is number 2, so I'll enter that to the withdrawal forms and then click on withdrawal. It is to withdraw the money if this person doesn't interact with the wallet. Okay, so the first transaction is to approve the token to transfer for the contract, and then the second one is to withdraw the money. So here's the money. You can see that it went up, so the store side is successful. So if I go to the Explorer and then refresh and take a look at it, you can see that the contract using Jenny Keeper, it will deposit the funds to this account. And that's it. That's for my part. Thank you.
Hey everyone, my name is RISHABH and I'll show you that our smart contracts have been integrated with the Chainlink Keepers app. So every block the keepers execute the check keep function, and if there are matured wills, the upkeep needed boolean is turned true and the perform upkeep method is executed, as we can see in the history. So here is our smart contract. So yeah, as we can see, this is our verified smart contract.